This tiny framing adjustment can completely change how premium your design looks on screen. Today, how to create luxury frame layouts. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 canvas. Start by inserting a large rectangular frame slightly off-center and place your image inside, adjusting the crop carefully to highlight the subject. Add a second thinner outline frame around it using a border element and align it precisely for a luxury feel. Duplicate the main frame, enlarge it slightly, and place it behind with reduced opacity to create layered depth. Select the background and apply a muted beige, charcoal, or soft gradient tone. Add subtle shadow effects to enhance realism without making the layout heavy.